Et comment ils vont aujourd'hui pour jouer à Bug 2? Il fait que crash ce fils de pute de jeu. Vraiment, c'est le seul jeu avec qui j'ai ce genre de problème.
Le problème avec la collaboration d'Aizuki et Naruto, c'est de choisir. Poulet teriyaki, Naruto, fiable, toujours là. Le genre de coéquipier sur qui tu peux compter depuis le début de la mission. Curry.
Attends, 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 attends. Oh l'enculé de jeu. Oh putain.
Lauren is such a bitch. I don't even understand why guys like.
Mais touche-le! Gros, je suis une merde!
Guide us, I feel fear for the very last time. bucket of stories to tell friends about the things I said. They tell me I'm so humble, I say I'm turning red. They let me lie to them and don't feel like they've been misled. They give so much to me, I'm losing touch, get me served on a silver platter, ask for seconds, they just let me. They tell me I'm a god, I'm lost in the facade, 6 feet off the ground. At all times I think I'm feeling odd. No matter what I make, they never see mistakes. Making so much bread, I don't care that they're just being fake. They tell me they're below me, I act like I'm above. The people blend together, but I wouldn't be lost without their love. Can you heal me? Have I gained too much? When you become untouchable, you're unable to touch. Is there a real me? Pop the champagne. It hurts me just to think, am I told to pain? Staying still, eyes closed, let the world just pass me by. I paid bills, nice clothes. If I fall, I think I'll fly. Touch me, Midas, make me part of your design. None to guide us, I feel fear for the very last time. Lay still, restless, losing sleep while I lose my mind. All thrill, no stress, all my muses left behind. World is below, so high up, I'm fear to fly. Lean in, let go, I feel fear for the very last time.
C'est super, en plus c'est pas du tout de là où je viens, moi j'adore.
Je te jure, c'est écrit que ça marche. Ça te fait rire, toi?
En vrai, Internet, c'est souvent le meilleur des alliés. Alors,
Mais nous ce TP déjà.
Take me home, it's the one place I can rest in peace. Turn off my phone, so many messages I wish I could just delete. Questioning my existence, questioning my decisions, burning down all the bridges. Think about now I've finished. Sorry, don't want you to visit, no. One last ticket, I'll be gone. Make it count, put the flash on. Never really felt like I belong, so I'll be on my way and I won't be long. I'll be dead by dawn. 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 Scrolling through my texts, shit I left unread. Never trying to deal with it. There's bliss up in my ignorance. 10 dope dealers, X want me to see it. Can't trust her, don't believe her. Reply, turn it to a needle. Yeah, don't wanna do it again. Got shit I'm not trying to relive. Get fucked up and I'm sick. These old habits will kill me quick. Quicker than I can blink. Quicker than I could think. Lift me up, don't want sink. Pull me up, I need a drink. What the fuck do I do with sabotage is all I know. Oh, I done dug myself my own grave. Then it's all kill me so. Curtains closed so. Fuck, I don't see what's the point of going on. No.
Behind a nullifier wall in a shallow pool of water. Et mec, ça veut dire quoi? Nullifier, c'est quoi? Ah, mais ça va être en haut par contre, je crois. Ouais. Oh, la cachette de fou furieux.
Service métal.
Métal qui teste la balle.
Va-t-elle nous refaire le même coup qu'à Athènes en 2020? Oh là là oui! Les bras n'ont rien vu!
It's been so long, I've been out of my body with you.
Mais arrête de prendre les trucs de dos là. Putain, le drone. Je sais pas lesquels il y en a. pas vraiment les sons les plus rassurants. Hein.
Yo, what's up everyone? Thanks for checking out the video. And now that you got the nullifier, I'm gonna go ahead and follow the path that I take.
C'est ça le nullifier là. C'est pour ça que je tapais sur la tâche pour trouver de la colle, frère. Putain, je pensais que... En fait, le nullifier, je pensais que c'était une plante, genre... Derrière un mur de nullifier, genre un mur de... Je sais pas, un mur de liane, j'en sais rien, mais... Putain, ok, non, c'est l'outil du truc. Je comprends mieux maintenant. Putain, ok, débile, tu m'étonnes, ça marchait pas. J'en ai marre là. Alors ces endroits qui sont trop colorés, j'ai l'impression d'avoir des shiny partout alors qu'en fait c'est juste des normaux.
But now once you get to this location here, place it down.
pour ça qu'il peut choper les bulles.
And now for the third harmonizer, in the middle of it. And again, you want to go ahead and just go to this location.
Take a seat, right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive, I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over, I can't just let you go. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Oh, take a step back for a minute into the kitchen, floors are wet and taps are still running, dishes are broken. How did we get into this mess? Got so aggressive, I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over, I can't just let you go. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Looking at you, I can't lie. Just pouring out admission, regardless of my objection. Oh, and it's not about my pride. I need you on my skin, just come over, pull me in, just. Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, no, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh yeah, I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? Oh, in the middle, baby.
here in your map. And this is the spot that has the giant coral in the middle of it. Once you get to this spot here, you want to go ahead and turn around and look for that.
Why don't you just meet me in the middle, baby? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle, middle, in the middle, middle?
Oh waouh, la robe est vraiment trop belle. Je la veux maintenant. Ring that bell, quiet, not a chance. Turn this love into a dance.
Mr. Worldwide, T-Pain. El que no oye consejo no llega viejo. So, listen. Let it go. If the girl wanna play, let it go. Let it go. If the girl wanna play,
if you can give me some more. Hey baby, you can be my girl, I can be your man, and we can pump this jam however you want. Hey baby, pump it from the side, pump it upside down, or we can pump it from the back and the front. Hey baby, drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, hey baby, ooh, you got it, 'cause you make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, don't stop it.
Self-paid, self-made, millionaire. I used to play around the world, now I'm around the world. Getting paid, girl problems, no problems. Don't hate a game, 'cause that won't solve. I wanna get rich, you mind me? Now let me see what the Lord split you out.
Hey baby girl, what you doing tonight? I wanna see what you got in store. Hey baby, giving it your all when you're dancing on me. I wanna see if you can give me some more. Hey baby, you can be my girl, I can be your man, and we can pump this jam however you want. Hey baby, pump it from the side, pump it upside down, or we can pump it from the back and the front. Hey baby. Drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, hey baby, ooh, you got it, 'cause you make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, don't stop it, 'cause you make me wanna say,
Make money, this chica right here gotta eat, baby. And scared money don't make money, that's how it goes in the street, baby. But enough about the nonsense. Baby girl, take a shot, clear your conscience. Not a goon or a goblin, I'm a monster. 'Cause I hit all the baddest women in the world, gangsta. Baby, baby, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby, la 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 la. Ooh, baby, baby, la 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 la.
ooh, drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, hey baby, ooh, you got it, 'cause you make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, don't stop it, 'cause you make me wanna say, drop it to the floor, make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, you can shake some more, make me wanna say, hey baby, ooh, you got it, 'cause you make me wanna say, hey baby, yeah, don't stop it.
I want you tonight.
Bon, les voyages d'affaires, je connais ça et j'ai 2 conseils. Ne jamais dormir au même étage que son patron et toujours réserver sur...
Open up your heart, what do you feel? Open up your heart, what do you feel? Is it real? Yeah. The Big Bang may be a million years away. Oh, but I can't think of a better time to say, world, hold on. Instead of messing with our future, open up inside. World, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. World, hold on. Come on. Everybody in the universe. World, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Children of the sky. a deeper love. The kind that only comes from high above. If you ever meet your inner child, don't cry, no, no. Tell them everything is gonna be alright. Well, hold on, come on. Everybody in the universe, well, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Children of the sky. Alright. Love. Don't take no for an answer. No, no. Alright. Right here. Spread love. Everybody join together now. One voice, one heart. Love and unity. Everybody say. Well, hold on.
Bah, j'ai pas d'eau.
Hold on, come on. Everybody in the universe, come on. Hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Come on. Hold on, come on. Everybody in the universe, come on. Hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky.
Nouveau Daily Shock Mini Cookies, un biscuit ultra croustillant au chocolat gourmand.
Voilà, pas de mieux que cette musique pour faire la base finale du jeu.
Хорошо. Hi, my name is Vlad. You might say that I'm bad,
Oh
but
putain,
I
les
really
FPS qui
am
s'en vont.
nice if you look into my eyes. Angry and calm, patient and eager. Maybe not emperor, but a top-notch leader. Just kidding. I am the best. I am DJ. I don't dance. The beat is mine. The tune is mine. Just kidding. I am the best. I am DJ. I don't dance. I'm cool. I'm ice, and I roll the dice. My heart is cold. My moves are bold. Never get old. I save the world. Did you know?
Une tornade de goudron carrément.
Tiger attack. Did you know? I try Formula 1 car on the racetrack. Did you know? I dance movie to the track. I fight jiu-jitsu with hand on my back. I hit the book. I make a strike. I never pull back, never sack. I'm cold like Jack. I love the Beatles, from London to Ostankino Tower. Strawberry fields, forever in power. Jagger. If you want this track life, bitch, I'll play 'em by choice. I love my haters, I keep them close when they strive. From the bottom of my heart, I wish they're safe and alive. Our planes are endless, our men are strong. We have beautiful women, and I tell you, they never wrong. I love my Transformers, they are very tender. Putting the carrots in blenders, inventing new genders. My heart is cold. My moves are bold. Never get old. I save the world. Did you know? I save reporter from a tiger attack. Did you know? I try Formula 1 car on the racetrack. Did you know? I dance movie to the track. I fight jiu-jitsu with hand on my back. I hit the book. I make a strike. I never pull back, never sack. I'm cold like Jack. Oh, hello, Mr. Trump. How is in the office?
Fine, thank you.
No problem. It was a promise. I see no wall, but that's fine. Another 4 years, it's enough time? My heart is cold. that world. Never get world. I save the world. I'm here, little girl. You called me to save the world.
Yes, Mr. Putin. I knew you are a good man. Let's do this.
Bon, mais niquez-vous là. Ah, tiens, attends. Ouais, ça fera l'affaire. Arrêtez de bouffer mes slimes, mon enculé. Là, voilà, il y en a plein là. Bon, c'est pas bon là. Mais fils de pute! Rends-moi ça! Vas-y, il en manque un là. Non, lâche ça. Non! Frère, il a bouffé devant les yeux. Oh, il y en a plein là. Allez, venez tous.
Réinventez votre style avec Amazon. On commence fort avec ce pantalon noir et sa coupe ultra soignée. Ensuite, on ajoute ce
Traveling in a fried-out combi on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, "Do you come from a land down under, where women glow and men wonder?
Et sinon, ça dure combien de temps ce truc là?
6'4" and full of muscle. I said, do you speak my language?
Chope-le, frère.
He just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. He said, I come from a land down under. But be the slow and mention the. Can you hear the thunder?
Mais je peux pas gagner en fait. C'est prédéterminé pour que je perde. Ce frère. Ça veut dire que là je joue mal. Enfin, je veux dire. Je pense être pas trop mal. Évidemment, j'ai pas de place. Voilà. Là, c'est sûr que je peux pas, frère. Si je pouvais gagner, ça aurait fait depuis longtemps là. Ça fait combien de cycles que je fais?
You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I said that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, I did not believe that it would end, no. Everything came second to the band, so you're not even speaking to my friends, no. You knew all my uncles and my aunts, though. 20 candles, blow 'em out and open your eyes. We were looking forward to the rest of our lives. Used to keep my picture posted by your bedside. Now it's in your
Ah
dress.
non, mais je lui mets des dégâts. Mais alors la vie qu'il a, what? C'est insane.
With my brothers like it's Jonas, Jonas. Drinking Henny and I'm trying to forget. But I can't get this shit out of my head. You probably think that you are better now, better now.
Ah, c'est parce que quand c'est comme ça. Ah, mais vas-y, je suis un débile. Ouais, c'est plus simple comme ça.
He seemed like it was pretty cool. I was so broken over you. Life it goes on, what can you do? I just wonder what it's gonna take. Another foreign or a bigger change. Because no matter how my life has changed, I keep on looking back on better days. You probably think that you are better
Mais filez-moi des slimes.
now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. You know I say that I am better now, better now. I only say that cause you're not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you down. Would've gave you anything, would've gave you everything. Oh, I promise, I swear to you I'll be okay. You're only the love of my life. You probably think that you are better now, better now. You only say that cause I'm not around, not around. You know I never meant to let you down, let you
Ça me paraît plus simple que ça. Passer à les douches, je comprenais pas le truc. Mais en plus, c'est marqué barrière dans Chiro, ça, j'ai pas l'excuse. Oh les FPS, 39 FPS, mais...
Découvrez mon désodorisant textile Fébraise. Je l'utilise pour combattre les odeurs et profiter de sa fraîcheur. Sa nouvelle formule aux 2 actions combat les odeurs et rafraîchit les tissus. Après avoir fait mon lit, après avoir retrouvé mon chien.
Motherfuckers, come on, 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 motherfuckers, come on. I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9, 10 Mac 10s, the shits never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and them 357 bitches. Biggie Smalls, the millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot blocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot Dread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little Gotti got the shotty to your body, so don't resist or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs, I give MCs the runs dripping. When I put my clip in the AK, I slay from far away. Everybody hit the DECK. My slow flow's remarkable. He's too Mateo, now we smoke weed like Tony Montana, slip the yayo. That's crazy blunts, mad L's. My voice excels from the avenue to jail cells. Oh my God, I'm dropping shit like a pigeon. I hope you're listening, smacking babies at the christening. So you better grab your pistol, cause if you sit still, I'm gonna make your fucking shit spill. And I'm talking about buckets, why did I have to do it? So Doc said, fuck it, you got a gun, nigga, bust it. Cause I got more shots to pop ya, big papa. Breaking you off something proper. Signing off is the hardcore rap singer, aka rap slinger, bring it anytime. Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Putain, le dialogue qui est première fois depuis longtemps. Plus la musique est... Attends, on va lui en trouver une mieux. Ça doit être pas mal ça. Ah mais c'est la vieille qui me file la merde depuis le début là. C'est certainement rien ce vieil. Mais bah dis à ta grand-mère qui file des trucs utiles hein, parce que j'en peux plus des plantes de merde. C'est qui lui? Faut arrêter de faire les enfants les vieux là. L'enfant vous allez crever, il aura même pas 10 ans. Waouh! Mais mec c'est Something Just Like This de... Attendez. C'est ça? Oh mais vas-y ça... Là ça me pensait, vite fait la vibe là. Mais... Ils ont quel âge? Moi je voulais que le père ce soit le... des slimes sous le costume d'Inspector Gadget là. Oh, putain trop bien les crédits. Waouh. Ah ouais, oh c'est comment c'est passé. Something just like this.
And the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls the suit before he lived. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this.
coup, j'ai fini, voilà, super. J'ai fini le jeu et j'ai toujours pas eu une trace de trucs là. Bah, de tornade et de slime de tornade quoi. Enfin, même tout ce qui provient des tornades, je veux dire.
Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I could turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this.
Good Girl et Good Girl Jasmine Absolute, la nouvelle eau de parfum Carolina Herrera.
J'en ai marre des pubs inskippables.
C'est de là que viennent les M&M's mini. M&M's, ensemble c'est plus fun.
I miss the taste of the sweet life. I miss the conversation. I'm searching for a song tonight. I'm changing all of the stations. I like to think that we had it all. We drew a map to a better place. But on that road I'm sucker for. Oh baby, why did you run away? I was there for you in your darkest times. I was there for you in your darkest night. But I wonder where we are. When I was down on my knees, and you said you had my back, so I wonder where we are. All the roads you took came back to me. So I'm following the map that leads to you. The map that leads to you. Ain't nothing I can do. The map that leads to you. Following to you. The map that leads to you. Ain't nothing I can do. The map that leads to you. Following.
Allez. Oh non.
And you said you had my back, so I wonder where
Bienvenue dans la galerie mycohydralin. Nous avons toutes déjà eu honte de quelque chose de très commun. Démangeaisons, brûlures, irritations.
Tellement de plantes
Toutes les femmes
prismatiques.
doivent avoir une myco...
Ok, bon allez. Non, je vais remettre le sens pareil. On va voir sur Steam à combien je suis temps de jeu progression. Je suis à 34 heures et 23 succès sur 27. Il manque compléter le Slimepedia. Ah, ces deux ils vont être horribles. Ça va pas être si dur. Celui-là il va être très chiant. Et celui-là il va être très chiant aussi. Et celui-là je sais pas, vu qu'il est caché. Ouais, bon allez. Sur ce, on se retrouve une prochaine fois. Passez bonne fin de journée.